Hi guys, check it out. This car mileage is only 5,000 kilometers. It's 1 year old and still got that brand new car smell. Yo, 𝐷𝐿 car dealer over here, and this right here is BMW i4 E35M Sport. Lowest mileage on the market, one owner only, and of course comes with a warranty from the official dealer. Let's check it out. Just have a look at this beauty. I think the design of this car is absolutely fantastic. I really love the headlights, these snake eyes they call them. Really beautiful. This car is gorgeous, especially in white color. Looks super clean. Comes with a very nice set of sport rims wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4. Look at the side profile. Very coupe-like sedan, and behind as well. Very nice. Let's have a look at the boot space. Of course, we have a fully electric tailgate. The boot space is quite large, and look, everything conditioned. Macam brand new car. We have a little bit more storage here with all the original BMW accessories still intact. Also, I really like the lift back design behind. Very nice, very sporty. Let's close this. Behind, leather in absolutely perfect condition. I'm serious guys, once you open the car you can smell the leather, like really brand new car like that, because we have rear passenger aircon, charging ports for you, even got controls for your rear passenger aircon also. Very nice subtle ambient light, and this is an M Sport, so it comes with a black tar roof liner. Very nice. Another cool thing about the design is these frameless windows. Very nice. And now, let's go in. Alright, we're inside and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Very beautiful looking cabin. First things first. 3-spoke, flat bottom, leather, M Sport steering wheel. Very nice to hold. It's very thick as you can see and a little bit soft. Very nice. Beautiful speedometer cluster that's integrated together with your infotainment system. Very nice. This thing is full of function. You buy this car, you got 9 years to figure out all these buttons. I know some I have yet to learn. Beautiful ambient light that of course can change color. The leather seats, absolutely fantastic. Just look at them. Very beautiful, very nice leather. Feels very expensive. Your gear selector here. This is your start and stop button, which I actually like. A lot of EVs nowadays don't come with start and stop, which is quite funny to me. Controller for your infotainment system, but it is also touchscreen, as you can see. Very fast, very responsive, very nice. You have different drive mode selection here. What I like is when I click the button, it will change. How cool. Right? Have another look. Alright guys, as far as electric cars go, I really like how i4 drives. Really feels very similar to a conventional Continental car, yet it is also very nice and planted, and you still get to enjoy the benefits of EV such as instantaneous torque. This car is comfortable, but you press the pedal to the metal and oh boy, it is very fast. So this unit is available for viewing daily in our showroom. On COE we still have 9 years left. A lot of time for you to enjoy. Comes with a nice warranty package from Performance Motors. And you will enjoy massive savings buying this. You all know what to do. Call me. I'll give you a good deal.